Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial called Creating an Authentication System using JWT, stands for Json Web Token, and we will use Symfony in backend, Symfony2, and Angular2 in frontend, which is our client, with the bundle lexic JWT Authentication. I will explain what we will build using these pictures. If we use JWT, we will secure our APIs endpoints. The client needs to provide his username and password and post a request to our login check here. If the username and password are correct, the server will generate a token. If these information are correct here, so the server will generate a token and return this token in a JSON object to our client. This token will stay active for a while, for example an hour. We can control the duration. In this period, the user could access and use as long as the token is valid and he has permission to get a response from that API. So he passes the information to our server. If the token is valid and he has the permission, either he gets the response from our API, or he will get 403 forbidden response. So JWT secures the transmitting information between our parties, the client and the server. In order to build all of these, we will use post-REST bundle. This bundle will generate our APIs. We will see how to use it and configure it. Also, we will use the GMS serializer bundle, which will serialize the return to a JSON response, and also we could control the response. For example, if we have an HTTP product, we could say that we will not show the IG attribute, only we will show the name of the product, or its price, or its quantity, etc. Also, we will use the doctrine fixtures bundle. This bundle will generate for us fake data using just a command, this command. So we will load the fixtures and we will create, for example, 30 products or a group of products that we will work and return to the client. Also, we will use this bundle called null course bundle, which will let us send the token through the header using a post or a get request. And finally, we will use the lexic JWT Authentication bundle. This bundle we will be responsible for creating our token and to control it, for example the duration, etc. And we will use the RSA pair private and public keys. We'll use both of those, and we will create those private and public keys using the OpenSSL. So that's it for this episode. Next episode we will install Symfony and add the PHP to the environment variable paths, and we will add the Symfony plugin to PHP store. So if you know all of this, you could escape the second episode and go to the third episode while we will install post-REST bundle. So thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.